y'all. Semaj'j Cajun Cooking is back once again. I'd like to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there in the world. Look here, I know how to do a party for Mother's Day and celebrate the right way. Come on and check it out. Look here, at Semaj'j Cajun Cooking, you can have the same thing for your next event. Just go and book me and let me show up and show out. Come on now, celebrate Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, y'all. All right. Look here. Somebody like to build on flavor when he's making food, you know what I'm saying? Everybody builds with season. I build flavor. That's the best thing and the best part about food is flavor. Just build your flavor. And it's gonna come out exactly like you want it to. Look here. That's Semaj'j's secret ingredient right there. Can't tell y'all what that is though. But I guarantee you this crab ball gonna be fire. Once again, y'all book me for your event. Let me show up and show out. All right, look here, y'all. Happy Mother's Day once again. Semaj'j Cajun Cooking is on fire. Look here. You know nobody knows anything about that crab ball. Huh? Come on, y'all. Look here, book me for your next event and let me show up and show out. Drop the potatoes in there, gonna cut this fire off. Gonna let the potatoes cook. Look here, look here, look here. Y'all don't know nothing about that, look here. Oh, look at that. There's that king going up in there. Look here, Semaj'j Cajun Cooking. Look here, book me for your next event and let me show up and show out. That's all I do is I show out. Along with providing you that flavor. Look at it, got them snow crabs going in there. Oh, look at that. Let's do it, y'all. Look at that. Come on now, don't y'all wish y'all was at my house? Come on now. Look at that, look at that. Ain't nothing but flavor and fire up in there. All right. This is how Semaj'j Cajun Cooking do it. Come on now. All that. Let's go and drop them lobster tails, lobsters in there, man. Don't drop them lobsters in there. Let's get started. Then we go back, don't put that. Don't get those strips up in that ball. Oh, yeah. Let's do it, Joe. Book Semaj'j Cajun Cooking and let me show up and show out. Just like this. Oh, look at that. Come on now. Let's do a jump. Whole lobster. King crab leg. We got snow crabs in here. Come on now, we got some Cajun sauces up in there. Corn, potatoes. Oh, look at that, baby. Come on, Katie. Katie, Texas, y'all got to come on now. All right, look here, y'all. Look here. Look here, look here. Look at that soap time is real. It's very real. Look here. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Look here. We got them snow crabs. We got them king crab in there. We got them lobsters in there. Whole lobster. Come on now. This is how we do it at Semaj'j Cajun Cooking. Book me for your next event and let me show up and show out just like this. You won't regret it. Stop sleeping on Cajun Cooking. All right now. All right. Look here. Don't let it soak. And we're going to enjoy it. Look at it. Semaj'j Cajun Cooking. We got you. Let me show up to your next event. Show up and show out. Look here. Lobster. Crab leg. King crab. Shrimp. Look here. Impress your company and book Semaj'j Cajun Cooking. We out.